Hey, what's going on, you guys? Well, let me do this real quick before the market opens. Still says I owe them $74. Alright, so we're gonna see what happens today. These oil ETF and this oil company slid into the red. ROX opened much higher. Cetx is still about the same price. Up $2.68 is looking pretty good. I'm gonna check out my TD Ameritrade. So I'll check in with you guys later on. Hopefully you guys are doing great and are prepared for this market to open up in 10 minutes. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, well, some days you just gotta accept the loss. And that's today's lesson. I'm not gonna cut out of what I have. Hold on. There's work.
Hey, Joe.
What's up?
Did you see my message?
Yeah, I'm coming.
Oh, you will come? Yeah. See you then. I'm here.
Alright.
Okay.
Anyway, so the point is, you gotta know when to take a loss and just call it a day. Step back, hold your position. I mean, I know most of this stuff isn't probably gonna come back for like another week or two. So, I mean, I know I made some pretty risky moves today, but will they pay off? I believe so. So let's take a look at what I have. So Cetx is my only stock that doesn't involve gas, but it is still down. So Cetx down $1.20 today. Got into United States Oil Fund, down 1.5 cents. I mean, I imagine that to come back. It's just really low today. The prices of petroleum has shaken some things up. The whole news coming out of Syria shaking things up. Everything's just frilly little girls running around, but I'll capitalize off of this. UWT down $6.62, and WLL, which just took that dip not too long ago, down $1.25. So I mean, it's not too bad being only down $8.10 so far. Could be a lot worse, but I do understand that there is nothing that I can do about this today. And I'm just going to let this rock out for the next couple of days. Probably sit on this till next week. Let all this settle out and bounce back. But as far as that phone call, I'm going to go regain my losses at work. So for those of you that work and invest, bravo. The rest of you out there, catch up. And we'll see what else we do for this. But for the moment, I'm going to get out of here and get ready for work. Alright, well, on the way to work, I just happened to check in here. And I see that it's holding up a little bit stronger than it was before. Back to the previous levels of resistance. WLL hasn't really reached back up to almost to the $6 range. I know my average price is $5.99. USO, I know I'm up 1 cent because I'm in there at 9.20. UWT, still not reaching up. Not quite sure what my average value is anymore. Like $12.29. Yeah, $12.29. But everything seems to be doing quite well. I mean, seems to have hit the complete bottom and it's bouncing back now. And I have to wait this one out and completely see. I know I'm going to be at work, so I'm not going to have too much time. And I really have no interest in making any moves today. Because I know these can bounce back. And once they do bounce back, it's going to be some good profit. And I really need that because I did pay the transfer fee, which will be refunded by me into my TD Ameritrade account, which is why I haven't averaged down quite yet on CBRIQ. I did deposit $100 into that account, but I'm going to wait for this $75 to come in, and I'm going to do the whole $175 onto CBRIQ, so that way I can only pay one time a $6 commission fee rather than paying a two-time $6 commission fee being $12, and then a $6 commission fee once I sell it at the end being $18. So I'm saving myself those $6 by just waiting. There is no problem with just waiting. Like the prime example of today, I know I am still at a deficit. It's not a great big deficit. I've had bigger losses in the past couple of months. But I mean, today I'm down almost $5.50. The week I'm still up nearly $12. The month I'm up about 180. But there is my grand loss throughout the last month. So I'm still down $644. And hopefully nobody else out here is going through this phase anymore. I believe it to be a new learner's phase, but I am not average. I am far beyond average, but we'll tap on that some other time. But in the meantime, I'm going to let you guys go so I can get on to work and get this up for you guys. You guys have a great day, and make sure you guys like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully everybody's having a great green day, and stay green, you guys.